I've been a CMA for many years, and everyone asks this question: is it better to be a CMA or a CPA? In this video, I will answer that question. And watch until the end to discover how to get your hands on my free CMA exam cheat sheet that's packed with strategies and tips to help you pass the CMA exam. Hey there, I'm Nathan Liao from CMAExamAcademy.com, where we help candidates like you pass the CMA exam the first time. Getting into accounting and finance takes a lot of work. When deciding what type of role you want to have, naturally you will look at two designations, the CPA or the CMA. A CPA is a certified public accountant, and a CMA is a certified management accountant. So let's look at the differences between these to help you choose which one is right for you. A CPA is licensed to practice public accounting. To become one, you will have to pass the CPA exam. As a CPA, you will focus on taxation, auditing, and helping people and businesses meet their financial goals. Examples of careers as a CPA include tax accounting, internal-external auditing, forensic accounting, and bookkeeping. Now, CMA refers to the certification you will get from the Institute of Management Accountants once you pass the CMA exam. As a CMA, you will work in both accounting and management. Examples of careers as a CMA include cost accounting, corporate controller, accounting manager, chief financial officer, and VP of finance. As you can see, there are many roles in management and business that you can fill as a CMA. So right off the bat, which one of these sounds the most exciting to you? Both have great career paths, but which one do you lean more towards to? Knowing where you're headed is the first step of taking the right steps. So let's talk about the steps to get into these prestigious careers. The first step to become a CMA or a CPA is to pass exams. And these exams are very difficult and do take quite a bit of time to prepare. The CPA costs about $800 just in fees. Most people also buy a CPA review course, which costs between $1,000 to $3,000. You need a bachelor's degree as well. After you take and pass the CPA, you will have to spend about 12 months in supervised employment before you can be licensed. Now, the CMA, on the other hand, let's compare them side by side. The CMA exam costs around $800 in fees alone. Most candidates purchase a CMA review course, which costs between $700 to $1,800. To be a CMA, you do need to have a qualifying work experience in management accounting or financial management. Now that we understand the exam fees for each type of exam, let's talk about the actual exam structure for the CPA and the CMA exam. The CPA is made up of 4 separate exams, which will take 4 hours each. That's 16 hours of total test time. You have to pass all 4 sections within 18 months. It is recommended that you study for 300 to 400 hours for the CPA exam. If you can study every single week, you will still need a couple of months to prepare for each exam. Now let's talk about the CMA exam, and again, let's compare it side by side. The CMA is made up of 2 separate exams. Each part will take 4 hours. You have 3 hours for multiple choice questions and 2 30-minute essay questions. That's a total of 8 hours of test time, and you have to pass both within 36 months. And it's recommended that you study at least 300 hours for the CMA exam. My CMA Exam Academy program provides you with the best tools and program structure to help you finish each part within 4 months. Alright, so now let's talk about exam pass rates, because I know you are wondering which one is easier to pass. So let's dive into those statistics now. For the CPA exam, the pass rate is 52.8%. The average pass rate for the CMA exam is 45%. The CPA license is regional. You need to get licensed by country, and if you live in the United States, you need to get licensed by state. In contrast, the CMA designation is a global designation. So you take the exam once and is recognized all over the world. The great news is that both of these certifications have high earning potential. As a CPA, the average salary is $110,000 a year. As a CMA, the average is $116,000 a year. For both the CPA and the CMA, you will invest time and money to achieve each qualification. Once you become a CPA or a CMA, the biggest difference is going to be the type of work and your duties that you'll perform. So let me ask you a question to help you decipher which one you're more interested in. Do you lean more towards taxation, bookkeeping, and audit? Or do you lean more towards strategic decision making as a management accountant? Start thinking that over, but in the meantime, I would like to send you a copy of my free CMA exam cheat sheet that is guaranteed to help you pass the CMA exam on your first attempt. The link to grab it is in the description box below. It's completely free. So you know now the basic differences between the CMA and the CPA. Deciding which one to go for will really depend on your personality and professional goals. Confused about the right path for you? Don't worry, that's why I'm here. Drop a comment below, let me know, and I'll personally guide you. As you make your decision, you will want the best study program that will help you pass the exam. There are a bunch of CPA review courses, but I'm here to help you cut through the clutter. Follow the link in the description to look at the best CPA review courses, and I'll do a side-by-side comparison so that if you choose to go for the CPA exam, that you are able to choose the best one for you. But if you're interested in taking the steps to become a CMA, there are a few things that you should start doing to get off on the right foot. Watch this video and I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.